I'm here with Tina Hartman, one of the owners of Short Sale Solutions. And Tina, I just wanted to ask you about this publication. It says, IRS affirms most California short sales are not taxable. Tell me about that. What is that talking about?
Well, essentially last Friday, Barbara Boxer put out a notice of a letter that she had received from the IRS clarifying that California homeowners who do a short sale, because of the way the California laws are, they're not going to be liable for any taxes on that short sale amount.
And how is that different, or is that different than how it was before? What's the significance of this?
Well, the significance is that a lot of people ask me if the mortgage debt relief will get extended, and essentially the Mortgage Debt Relief Act made sure that anybody who did a short sale, if the lender approved the short sale, what that means is that right now homeowners who do a short sale are covered by the Mortgage Debt Relief Act that the Bush administration had enacted. However, it's expiring at the end of 2013. So the worry has always been, is it going to be extended? Because if it is not, homeowners would be liable tax-wise for if they were to do a short sale in 2014 moving forward. However, this announcement is a big deal for those of us here in California, because essentially it says even if that act is not extended, Californians don't have to worry about paying taxes on the amount forgiven in a short sale.
So was this always the case anyway, and Californians didn't understand that?
I've read some opinions where it might be for those who did a short sale moving forward from 2011 and on. So, but I don't know that for sure. It's definitely for those now moving forward. However, just so you know, the Mortgage Debt Relief Act covers those prior to this, so it doesn't matter.
So what does this mean for California agents?
It means that you can move forward with short sales and know that your homeowners are protected.
So they can still do the same thing they've been doing for the last several years with short sale owners?
Correct. They can move forward. California is a non-deficient state, so the homeowners don't have to worry about having to pay back the amount that is owed on their mortgage, and now they definitely don't have to worry about the fact of having to pay taxes on that amount as well. Now, just a caveat, it's not all mortgages. There is some qualifications on that.
Okay, but we can safely say for the majority of mortgages.
For the majority, I believe that's correct.
Okay, great. Now, this is all great information, but if there aren't any short sales left, it doesn't really make any difference. Are there any short sales left?
Well, statistically, 25% of all homeowners here in California are still upside down. So yes, I would say potentially there's quite a few short sales, especially for homeowners who want to move on.
Okay, wow. So let me ask you just one last question real quick. If someone is not behind on payments, can they still do a short sale?
Actually, this act is probably bigger news for them than any other group, because essentially if there wasn't a Mortgage Debt Relief Act, if a homeowner is struggling making their payments and have been missing payments, a good accountant can usually show that they were insolvent at the time of the short sale and taxes aren't an issue. This act is actually better for homeowners who wish they could move on but are making their payments and they have the finances. This act is telling them that they won't have any tax ramifications if a lender agrees to allow them to short sell their home, even if they've never missed payments.
That's great information. So if I'm an agent and I need some negotiations done on a short sale, who do I call?
Well, of course you call Short Sale Solutions. We have a 95% success rate. We make sure the agents keep their full commission, and our services are free for the agent.
They are free?
They are definitely free for the agent.
And if I call you, you'll tell me more about that, is that right?
Of course.
Terrific. Thanks so much.
Thank you.